Osaka Station is one of the most confusing places in Japan.
Because there are actually multiple stations and underground tunnels. Even locals call it an underground dungeon. And each station around this area have different names. They are not all Osaka Station. There is Umeda, Nishi Umeda, and even Higashi Umeda. Together, they are known as Osaka Station City. It's even bigger than Shinjuku Station, the busiest station in the world. But you don't have to understand the full structure to be able to navigate Osaka Station.
So, here's only 3 simple rules which you need to remember. Stay with us and we will explain you everything about the station.
Especially if you're traveling to Osaka, or staying in Osaka and taking day trips to nearby Kyoto, Nara, and Kobe.
Because trust me,
to go anywhere in or around Osaka efficiently, you first need to know how not to get lost in Osaka Station City, as you'll come back here so many times.
So, this is Osaka Station Master Guide.
Rule number 1. Remember your safe point. Osaka Station City, also known as the Umeda area, has over 100 exits. We will give you the best ways not to get lost. But in case you do, remember this. Always come back to JR Osaka Station. Think of it as your safe point. No matter where you go, this is where you reset, because it's got the best access to other train lines, such as Hankyu, Hanshin, and Metro lines. You lose the least amount of time. Rule number 2. For Osaka inner travel, the red M is your best route. If you are simply thinking about going to major places inside of Osaka City, like Namba, Shinsaibashi, Shinsekai, or Shin Osaka for the bullet train, most of you will take the Osaka Metro Midosuji line. Just follow the red M. It only goes north or south, and most of Osaka's must-visit spots are along this line, so it's very hard to mess up. Rule number 3. Exceptions to inner Osaka travels, plus for long-distance travelers. If you're planning long-distance travel in the Kansai region, you'll know where to go based on your destination. Off to Universal Studios, or a day trip to Nara, JR. Traveling to Kyoto, JR or Hankyu. Kobe, same thing. You don't need to memorize everything. Just decide based on where you're going. In next chapter, I will show you how to walk through by your needs, so you can grasp why we set these rules. Okay, let's walk through these routes, and I'll also explain why we set these rules in the first place. Step 1. Start from JR. So, let's start with JR. Whether you're going to Shin Osaka Station for the bullet train or Kansai International Airport, most of you will start here, JR Osaka Station. This is your safe point. If you're going to places like Universal Studios, Kansai Airport, Nara, or Shinsekai area of Osaka, you will usually take platform 1. This is the Osaka Loop train. Like its name, this line is a circle that connects many of Osaka's major sightseeing spots. To Universal Studios, you can actually take any train, but make sure you get off at Nishikuju Station for a transfer. To Kansai Airport, take the Kankyu Kaisoku Airport Express. It takes 70 minutes from Osaka Station. If you want an even faster ride to the airport, go to platform 21 for the limited express Haruka. Haruka brings you to the airport in 15 minutes from Osaka Station. It usually takes from 10 to 15 minutes to get to this underground platform though, so make sure you get to the station with enough time. To Nara, take Yamatoji Kaisoku Express departing from the platform 1. It takes 50 minutes to Nara Station. To Shinsekai, take the Osaka Loop local train, the Kankyu Kaisoku, or the Yamatoji Kaisoku Express train. One of these 3 trains will take you there. If you are going to Tenma, the food alley, Tsuruhashi, or Osaka Castle, take Osaka Loop the other way, which departs from platform 2. The station is located right next to the Hankyu and Hanshin stations. It's also just above the Osaka Metro Midosuji Line, Tanimachi Line, and Yotsubashi Line. If you are transferring to those lines, use the Midosuji ticket gate at Osaka Station. Step 2. Find the red M and go underground. Most travelers would like to use the Midosuji line to visit attractions in the city. For example, today we're heading to Namba. So, it's time to go underground. Just follow the signs for the Midosuji line. You can find this red line icon everywhere around Osaka Station. With the Midosuji line, there are only 2 directions: north, Shin Osaka for bullet trains, and Minno Kayano for Katsuoji Temple; south, Shinsaibashi, Namba, and Tennoji. This time, we're taking the southbound train. Let's hop on. And that's it. You'll arrive at Namba. Step 3. Which train to use when leaving Osaka? Okay, let's talk about how to go from the Umeda area of Osaka to places outside of the city, and which train you should choose based on where you're going. If you're heading to Kyoto, you have 2 main options. If you want to go to Kyoto Station, the faster option is to take the special rapid on the GR Kyoto line, which is platform 9 or 10 of GR Osaka Station. But if you want to go to the city center of Kyoto in one ride, like Gion or Kawaramachi, take the Hankyu line instead. It's often more convenient as it goes to Katsura, where you can switch trains to Arashiyama. Plus Hankyu goes all the way to Kyoto Kawaramachi and Karasuma, which also brings you to Gion. If you're going to Kobe, you can also choose between GR and Hankyu. GR takes you directly to central Kobe, while Hankyu gives you another easy route and less crowded cars. So, again, you don't need to memorize everything, just choose based on your destination. And if you're going to Universal Studios Japan, take the GR line to Nishikujo and transfer there. It's very easy transfer, just follow the crowd. So, now you understand the system. GR for longer distances, Midosuji line for moving inside Osaka, and choose based on your destination. That's it. Let's quickly recap. You don't need to understand Osaka Station. Just remember, go back to GR Osaka if you are lost. Follow the red M for most city travel. Choose trains based on your destination. That's all you need.
Okay, then let's talk about highway buses.
Once you get out of the north central exit of Osaka Station, you can find the highway bus terminal. From Osaka Station Highway Bus Terminal, you can actually take direct buses to places like Tottori, Takamatsu, Matsuyama, Arima Onsen, and even Amano-Hashidate. To get to these areas in western Japan, buses are the most convenient option from Osaka Station. If you're shopping around Osaka Station, here are the places that Osaka locals go to. Hankyu, the first department store in a train station ever, is the best for luxury shopping. Even in Tokyo, Hankyu is known for its women's fashion. It's full of high-end brands. And for men's fashion, you simply cross the street to Hankyu Men's. It's a separate building, entirely focused on men's style. If you want to eat something more local and authentic, go to the Hanshin department store. There is a small counter famous for ikayake, a simple Osaka-style grilled squid. It's quick, casual, and very much part of everyday life here. You'll often see people grabbing food on the go, not as a meal, but as something in between. Last but not least, the Umeda Daisan building is filled with small, independent restaurants, the kind of places locals go for a quick, satisfying meal. Osaka Station might look complicated, but once you know the system, it becomes surprisingly simple. And you don't need to understand everything, just follow our 3 rules and subscribe to Travel Smart Japan for more simple and reliable travel guides.